We've just acquired this absolutely stunning Mercedes E250 AMG Sport Coupe. Wheels diamond cut, absolutely immaculate condition, unblemished, absolutely gleaming black, the shine on that. Privacy glass to the rear as well. Lovely twin exhaust, rear diffuser, rear park distance control. This car looks absolutely fantastic. Wheels really do set it off. AMG carpet mats, boot area in immaculate condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, partial electric seats. It's got satellite navigation. It's got heated seats, climate control, Bluetooth for streaming for phone and music. It's done 75,016 miles. Got paddle shift for gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights. Absolutely lovely. Got a USB. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.